Hi friends, this is Aman. I've heard from many of my friends how we can create and host a website for free. Today I'll explain in very simple steps how you can host your website for free. We will not cover how to create a website in this session. So without any further ado, let me show you the actual steps. So the very first step is to visit github.com, and the next step is to create an account on this site. I've already created the account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. But if you have not created an account, please create an account. And after you have created an account, the third step is to create a public repository. At very high level, you can think of a repository as a folder which can contain files or other folders. Okay, so let me show you how you can create a public repository. Just click on this create repository button. The important thing is you have to name this repository in a specific format. Okay, so in my case, the very first word has to be your username, and so in my case it would be Abhed Mavai, and then dot. The second word has to be GitHub, and then .io. Okay, so this is the exact format you have to follow. So replace the first word with your username here, and then leave all the options as it is. Click on create repository button. At this point, we have created a repository, but this repository is empty. So the next step is to add an index.html file to this repository. Okay, so I have one file ready. I'll just copy the content from here, and we have this link, create a new file. Click on this link and just paste the index.html content here. Just give the name to this as index.html, and then we can click on commit new file. So at this point, we have added index.html file to this repository. And also we have completed all the steps for this. At this point, we get a brand new URL for our site. Let me show you what would be the URL. So we open a new tab. So the first word for the URL has to be your username. So it's, in my case, it is Abhed Mavai, and dot. Second word is GitHub, then .io. Okay, sometimes it takes a little bit of time before the site is up. So let's see if the site is already up. Yeah, so you can see the site is already up. So this is it. In the next step for this is we'll add more content into this site and make it look nice. Okay, but we'll cover that into some other sessions. Okay, thanks everybody.